We had about 70% staffing efficiency prior to Bridgit. We've been able to move that into the 99th percentile, which means we only have about 1% downtime for our folks. CPPI has grown tremendously in the Central Florida region over the last few years. We've essentially tripled the size of the office and the workforce. It was really difficult to understand where our people were all the time, when they would be coming available, and also if they had downtime. As we moved into the Bridgit realm and era of our company, it was much easier to see where people were, if we had double coverage. If we had someone coming available, we could reach out to a client who particularly likes one of our superintendents or one of our project managers and say, hey, this person has some availability. If you have a project coming up that you'd like to utilize them for, when they saw somebody coming available, they were like, oh yeah, we've got this coming up. We'll move it forward a little bit and get this going. I can toggle between 3 months, 6 months, a year, 3 years, 5 years really quickly. And I can look at my short-term needs and my long-term needs. Orlando Health has gathered up a series of hospitals over there. They're going through and renovating and expanding and bringing it up to the Orlando Health standard, which is a pretty high bar. We have a team over there that they like. So they're kind of rolling that team from project to project to project. We've been able to load all that into Bridgit, to see it right up front, and work with that client to keep everything rolling over there on the East Coast. So in our weekly meeting, instead of struggling to get through where everybody's going in an hour, we can do it in 20, 30 minutes, and then we can start long-term forecasting, which affects our business development and our executive staff planning. And it's really allowed us, as we've grown, to know where our resources are and where our gaps are at too. So if we need to hire someone, the biggest identifiable outcome I've seen is engagement from my executive group and efficiency in what we've been able to do. So I have had reduced overhead, reduced cost, and a team that really feels like they have a grip on what's going on. I was very skeptical up front. There's not much I can't do in an Excel spreadsheet. And I can tell you that I feel as though we've definitely gotten our dollars worth out of the Bridgit team, and we've enjoyed the experience. The thing you'll see is immediate ROI from your investment in the Bridgit platform.